What's up, Vanessa from Peach Treasure back, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make remake your X fluffy slime into fluffy slime, so to transform your non-fluffy slime into fluffy slime. So this is a batch of beautiful light blue X fluffy slime. So basically I just kept playing with it, and obviously it will deflate, so it's a really nice batch of fluffy slime. But for this, you'll need really simple stuff, and I'm at my Let's Make table. So you'll need some fluffy soap. I'm using this brand, Curie Curie. It is one of the most famous brands of soap in Singapore, and it's really fluffy. So let's shake it out a bit. You also need some white glue, just normal white glue, the one you use to make your base. So your slime should still be really making nice fluffy sounds. Like that. So once you've got that, you also need definitely a little bit of contact lens solution. So the first thing you want to do is pour your white glue. Oops, sorry about that. There's an announcement going on, but anyways, so you want to put your glue into the fluffy slime. My glue is a bit hard, but you want to try to use like nice and soft glue. Add a bit. Sorry about this, guys, but the glue is coming out really slow. So I'm just trying to jam all the glue out. At least there's a bit more coming out now. Okay, that's it. So once you've got that, you want to add your fluffy soap. Oops. I'll just show you guys pretty much what is going on. Hold on. I'll just try to show you. So add about 3 pumps of that. And then what you want to do is take a random spoon, this is my slime mixing spoon, and mix all this stuff in. You can definitely go in with your hands as well if you like, but I prefer to use the spoon, so I think it makes life much easier. So combine all of that in. Like that. It's just mix it around. I think I need a bit more glue. Okay, that glue is coming out. Okay, that should be enough. Glue, just got a bit more glue in. And then once everything is just low-key already mixed in, what you want to do to reactivate the entire thing is contact lens solution. This is a tablespoon. You're gonna need about half a tablespoon of contact lens. Just goes in and mix. Immediately start mixing and make sure every single part of this has got the contact lens solution in it. And then it should be more fluffy now. So just definitely mix in all the remaining soap and everything else. You could add a bit of baking soda if you wanted, but this step is completely unnecessary unless you're really feeling that it should be more activated. So as you can see, I'm just mixing it around, making sure all the slime is welly. Okay, so once you've pretty much got this really sticky, gooey consistency, get the slime out and just start playing with it with your hands. Go in with your hands and just start playing with it. And you'll definitely see it'll be better than before, in the sense where it's a bit more fluffy, it's a bit more nice to play with. I think I just low-key overactivated this batch a bit, but it's okay. Should be really nice and fluffy. Really nice to play with in general. And we'll wait and we'll see, I guess, how the entire thing does turn out. But that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!